Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 16 Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset or actually force restart this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So for example, you cannot swipe, you cannot open anything or close something. So it is the best idea to do that. And to forcefully restart your device, you have to simply press the power button, which is located right here, and the volume up button together, and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons. And keep pressing. I know that we can see this restart option, but let's keep pressing. Let's ignore everything. And we've got a black screen, which is a really good sign. I felt the vibration, so I will immediately release the fingers. Now we've got the developer's logo, so all we have to do is to wait until our device will be fully powered on. Moreover, this operation is safe, no worries, no data will be removed. Everything will stay in the same place, so it's safe. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.